Best pizza you'll ever make at home, and all you do is add water. Our 72-hour dough mix. Everything you need is inside the bag. Add 1 3/4 cups of room temp water. That's the only thing you measure. Mix together until it looks shaggy. Doesn't have to be perfect. Turn it out and knead for 2 or 3 minutes. That's it. Just work out the dry clumps. Place back in the container, cover it, and let it rest for 24 hours. After 24 hours, take it out. Time to make your dough balls. Divide into 3 or 4 equal portions. Let's make dough balls. Flour up those hands and fold the dough in half. Press and turn. Each fold creates a little tension. Now pinch the seam shut on the bottom. Place it back in the container, cover it, and let it rest for 3 hours. Time to stretch, top, launch, and bake. And enjoy with someone you love.